Hoffman with Welcome Home Mortgage. This is your Mortgage Insider for Saturday, March 8th. So today we're going to talk about the FHA 203K rehab loan and steps to success. So step number one is to have the buyer, the general contractor, and the HUD consultant work as a team. This is critical to processing this loan in a timely fashion. I always recommend that the buyer and the GC do a detailed work write-up prior to meeting with the HUD consultant, then meet the HUD consultant out at the property to review everything in detail. The HUD consultant is then going to go and complete the work write-up. So step one is to get the work write-up completed as soon as possible. After that is done, step two is to have the appraisal ordered. If sometimes on a bank-owned property you're not going to have the utilities turned on, but if possible, please have the utilities on. It's going to make it easier on the appraiser, and it will eliminate the need for a final inspection to go back out to the property. So even if it is bank-owned, later on in the process, prior to closing, it will have to have a final inspection to have the utilities signed off on, so we're not going to get around that step. So after the work write-up is done and the appraisal is completed, now the file can go into underwriting. So the file hasn't even been looked at by an underwriter until those steps are done. So this is step three, underwrite and close the loan in 60 days. That's actually the easy part. The hard parts are step one and two, which is get the work write-up done and get the appraisal in. Step four is start the work on the property. On the work write-up, there will be draws that are identified, and as the work is completed, the funds on the program will then be distributed over to the consultant as the completion dates are met and the work is signed off on. So easy steps. Really what I could do, the steps to success, we could eliminate steps 2, 3, and 4, and as long as step 1 is done and the GC and the buyer and the HUD consultant work as a team, you're going to have a good process and you're going to enjoy doing this loan. So thanks for watching today's Mortgage Insider. This is the final week to opt in for a free lunch over at the Bonefish Grill, so sign up for the Insider. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.